Whether you require a one-off transport move or looking for regular transport arrangements, AH Plant Hire can help. We have two types of transport vehicles, both specifically manufactured from new by Andover Trailers, who specialise in plant hire body trucks. Our smaller compact vehicle is capable of transporting plant and equipment to small and narrow restricted areas, whilst still offering an impressive payload of 8 tonnes. Our larger vehicle is capable of a payload of 18 tonnes. It has a double beaver tail with folding split ramps, providing the extra facility of reducing the load angle and allowing extra low ground clearance machinery to be transported. We transport plant and equipment to all local, regional and national destinations. So, for more information, give us a call and our friendly team will be happy to help.